Nordic countries are perfect for locating data centers. The electrical grid is very reliable and the energy is generated by 100% hydroelectric and wind power. My name is Mike Swanfeldt and I'm the Chief Technological Officer of EcoDataCenter. We are a provider of colocation and HPC services. We have a high focus on sustainability and security. EcoDataCenter will achieve climate positivity by reusing our waste heat in a low-grade system, meaning that we don't introduce heat pumps to increase the temperature. We will reuse the heat to feed a pellets factory producing biofuel, and by this we will compensate for electricity that we use in our data center. By having our equipment connected to EcoStruxure, MV switchgear, UPSs, CRA units, MTZ breakers, Galaxy VX for UPSs, we bring all of that into the EcoStruxure platform, where we're also using IT Advisor to plan our capacity for the customer. When we are building data centers, we realize that we are part of the community. We are connected to the local grid. We are connected to the local district heating network. We want to make sure that we give something back to the community as well. With the products coming from Schneider Electric, we expect to achieve a PUE of 1.15. And combining that with using hydroelectric power will make sure that we are one of the most sustainable data centers in the Nordics and hopefully in the world.